We warmly welcome you to our online Excel practical skills sharing course, How to Solve in Your Excel. This is a course designed for you, who are eager to master Excel and improve your work efficiency. We strongly recommend that you download the exercises we provide before you start learning, so that you can practice while you learn and take your learning to the next level. Our course will start with 3 fascinating units, where there are 30 challenging brain teasers waiting for your answers. We will simulate real-work scenarios and provide clever problem-solving techniques, allowing you to deeply experience the flexibility of Excel and the endless possibilities of its application. Next, our 4th and 5th units will present you with 20 of the most commonly asked Excel questions in job interviews. Here, you will have the opportunity to interact with OpenAI, quickly generate formulas and solve problems, unravel these common issues like lightning, and fully experience the application of chatbots in Excel. After completing this course, you will be able to freely use ChatGPT and take your work efficiency to a whole new level. Furthermore, we will use OpenAI's language model ChatGPT to implement VBA. We will teach you how to use ChatGPT to automatically execute Excel VBA macros and how to create, test and implement macros. We will explain in detail how it works and conduct a practical demonstration so you can practice firsthand, experiencing how the process of writing VBA macros can become more time-saving and easier. The ultimate goal of this course is to enable you to skillfully simplify workflows and easily solve complex problems when facing actual Excel issues. With these enhanced Excel skills, you will be able to solve problems in less time and handle more challenging and exciting work projects. Whether you are a beginner in Excel or a professional seeking to further enhance your skills, this course will provide tremendous value for you. You will be able to better understand and use Excel, thereby enhancing your work efficiency and making your performance in the workplace even more outstanding. We will continue to update the course content, providing the latest and most practical Excel knowledge and skills. We look forward to joining hands with you in this learning journey, exploring the mysteries of Excel together, and embarking on your Excel learning journey. Let's move towards mastering Excel together. Let learning become your power, and let Excel become your powerful assistant.